Okay. Here you go. It's got a more, or excuse me, GE put a Series 15 out control on it. It's going through a warm-up cycle.
You program it to 10 millions. Clean. This comes with it?
I think so, but don't quote.
It does have a 40,000 RPM head on it.
Fresh rebuilt.
Freshly rebuilt, okay.
Yep.
And the U-axis is 140 thousandths travel. Anything else we can throw in there? That's about it.
Very well taken care of.
Yes.
Always clean. Very nice.
Maintenance, PM.